Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, I am Fukte Sakshi, student of Division A, Zeal College of Engineering and Research. In this video, I am going to explain my project topic, IR based security system. I have participated in online mini project competition, which is organized by Department of Electrical Engineering. Under the guidance of Professor Manoj R. Hans, I completed this project. In this video, I explain my project, Infrared-Based Security System. This project demonstrates the simple and useful security alarm based on infrared radiations using 555 timer IC. The circuit uses an infrared eye sensor. The infrared radiations are continuously falling on a photodiode. Whenever the infrared radiations break down by any means, an alarm is triggered through the speaker. The circuit has two stages. The first one is an IR emitter and an IR receiver stage, while the second one is an astable multivibrator timer circuit. An IR stage operates the reset pin of the timer circuit as the IR rays operates the reset pin of the timer circuit. As the IR rays are blocked, the multivibrator timer circuit oscillates. In this circuit, we have used the components IR pair 555 timer IC, ICLM358, resistors, capacitor, A buzzer.
Pratik, in this infrared security system, this is the main circuit diagram. In this circuit diagram, we have used a main component IR sensor, 555 timer IC, ICLM358, resistors, capacitor and one buzzer is circuit, and this is a receiver circuit. In this transmitter circuit, we use 12 volt battery, 2 ampere current. This is a capacitor, this is the diode, and this is a transmitter to transmit the data. In this receiver circuit, one used a receiver, one diode, and this is the variable resistor. This is the IC LM358 is used, two resistors used, and this is the LED, and this is a transistor, and one buzzer is used in this transmitter circuit.
Next we move on working of this project, infrared based security system. This is the transmitter circuit and this is the receiver circuit. As explained Sakshi, both circuit. Now I explain the working of this project. IR based security alarm circuit can detect any movement and trigger the alarm. This circuit is very useful in home, banks, shop, restricted area where an alarm is needed on any movement. This circuit is based on IR beam is continuously falling on photodiode, and whenever this is infrared beam breaks by any kind of movement, alarm is triggered. Now we move on IR sensor. What is the purpose of IR sensor we use? IR sensor is consist an IR LED and photodiode, in which IR LED emit IR radiation and photodiode detect the radiation. Photodiode if any object is under in the path, then it buzzer is beeping and LED light is glowing. Whenever light is fall on it and voltage across it changes, this voltage changes is sensed by the voltage comparator. This is the voltage comparator. Here I am showing in this receiver circuit. This is the voltage comparator like LM358 and generate output accordingly. In this IR based security alarm circuit, we have placed IR LED and front of photodiode so that IR light can directly falls on photodiode. Whenever some moves through this beam, IR rays stop falling and photodiode and buzzer start beeping.
The applications of infrared-based security system as an IR-based security alarm circuit has plenty of advantages in homes, shops, banks. And other one, this circuit is useful any kind of restricted area as it detects any slight movement and activities and alarm.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.